Cleaning paste, or as we lovingly in our home call it, elbow grease in a jar, is one of our most loved versatile products. You'll find uses in nearly every room for this item. I was wowed by cleaning paste originally as a new customer. I had a gunky, grimy stovetop that I could never seem to get clean. Very quickly and very easily, a little dab of cleaning paste restored my stovetop to like new condition. I was amazed. I continued cleaning that day, scouring sinks, scrubbing grout, bathtubs, and the list goes on. As a new consultant, I was absolutely blown away yet again by cleaning paste. I returned home from one of my first Norwex parties to find my then 2.5-year-old daughter at the door. Permanent marker in hand, cape around her neck, she called herself a superhero. Superhero with a permanent marker, not my idea of super. This child had drawn all over walls, countertops, white bedroom furniture, and her face. I grabbed nearly every item I could think of under the kitchen sink cabinet and tried to scour my home. Of course, didn't have much luck. That was when it hit me. Cleaning paste, the one item I hadn't tried. I quickly rushed upstairs thinking there is no way that this elbow grease in a jar can remove permanent marker from nearly every item in my home. That day, I was impressed yet again. I grabbed an Enviro cloth and my cleaning paste, and little to no effort, I was able to scour and scrub my home back to new. Not only that day did it save my daughter's life, but it also saved my marriage. Cleaning paste was actually the true superhero.